Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ifoma. If this is your first time of stopping by, hi, welcome. On this channel I talk about fashion, beauty and a little bit of lifestyle. In today's video I'll be sharing some new pieces that I got from Walmart. So now let's get into it. So the outfit that I have on is from Walmart because it's a Walmart video. I already talked about this dress in my previous Walmart haul. I'll link that here in case you're interested, so be sure to check that out. But I'll also link this in here, and this is how it looks. It's a one shoulder dress and it has this elastic at the waist and it have these strings as on the sleeve. I like this dress because it's so pretty, it's comfortable. The bottom part is like a line. I don't know if you guys can see. Let me see if I can step back a little bit. So, and it has pocket. It's from the brand Free Assembly. I will insert a picture that I took with this dress somewhere here so that you guys can see how this dress really look. So let's get into the video now. So the first item I have is this orange dress from the brand Free Assembly. I have it right here with me. And this dress is like an A-line dress. It has this like bustier thing on the front side. I like the cut of the neck. It's like almost sweetheart, but not quite sweetheart. It does have a it's not really a spaghetti strap, but it also have these buttons right here, so you can adjust the strap to your liking. And it also have this elastic band at the back of the dress, which I really like. And of course it comes with its own belt. It has a zipper on the side too, and it has pockets. So I really like this dress so much. It is very comfortable. It is more or less like a very suitable dress for summer. And in the styling part of this video, I styled this dress with my white heels and I'm carrying a white handbag. I dressed it up like that. Then next I went ahead and I styled it with my orange flat and I'm carrying a straw bag. I think that straw bag is from H&M. So did you see my H&M videos? All of these things I talked about them, so be sure to check that out in case you're interested. All right, now let's move on to the next item. The next outfit that I have is from the brand Scoop. It is this white eyelet dress. This dress is just like so pretty. It has this band on the waist and look at the back. Oh my god, you see how it has a deep cut at the back and it has this bow tie at the back. It has pockets and it's a full skirt dress. It's a midi length dress. I love this dress, but I got it in a size large. The orange dress that I also just featured is also a size large from the brand Free Assembly. So I miscalculated with the size because most dresses that have that waistband, at least the ones that I wear, they tend to be very tight over there. Size is so hard to get that past my bust area. So that is why I always try to go like a size bigger or a size larger. So this one I miscalculated. This dress, I think you need to stick to your regular size. My regular size is supposed to be a medium, so I went for a large one. It's too big for me. But in the styling part of this video, I went ahead. I wanted a pop of color. Actually, I wore this dress for Memorial Day. In the spirit of Memorial Day, so I just added like red heels and I'm carrying a red purse. It's something that you can wear for picnic, something you can wear for like girls outing, lunch. You know, if you want to wear this to work, I would probably say if you have like a crop blazer that would look good. I'm also thinking maybe a denim jacket would look good on this, but this is just like a perfect dress to wear for like especially summer outings. So this is why I like this dress. I think I need to get a medium if it is not sold out, because you guys know Walmart sell out so fast. So on to the next outfit. The next item I have is this shirt dress from the brand Scoop, and I'm wearing mine in a size large. I got it in the color black. Can we just have a moment for this dress? Oh my god, I don't even know what to say about this dress. This is my favorite dress in this haul. In the styling part of this video, as you can see, I styled this dress with an orange purse, and then I added an orange belt, and I'm wearing some orange heels. Oh my god, you can see me feeling myself. This is that dress that you can literally wear with anything. This dress comes in two colors. It has a floral color, which I will insert somewhere here, but the floral was sold out in my size, so I got the black instead. This dress is so gorgeous. I also went ahead and I styled it with brown pumps, and I'm wearing this brown belt that I got from Amazon, and I'm carrying a little brown purse that I got from H&M. Oh my god, this is like just my vibe. Look at this dress. It is just chef kiss. I am so in love with this dress. I also went ahead and I styled this dress with my black flats that I got from Walmart, and I'm also carrying a straw bag, and I also kept the same brown belt. Just look at how gorgeous and how simple, how cute, how fabulous this dress looks. It's just a dress that you can literally wear with anything. You can wear it dress up, you can wear it dress down, and this is what I like. I like a dress that you can get so much wear out of it. So you can tell that I love this dress, right? On to the next outfit. So the next outfit I have is this wrap skirt, this floral wrap skirt. It is from the brand Scoop. I am wearing mine in a size medium. It has like this, the skirt is like, you see how it is, that's why I call it a wrap skirt. It have this overlap down here, and it also have a little bit of ruching on this side. I just love this. It is so pretty. Come in different, I think there's orange, and there's another color like this, but that one is orange, and then it also come in like lime green or neon green, and it comes in this color. I just love this color. Have a little bit of, if you can see, it has a little bit of lavender. So I also went ahead and I got this top. This top, the color is called hibiscus on the website. This is a knitwear, but it's very light. The fabric is so breathable, so I went ahead and I styled both of them together. As you can see in the styling parts, I am wearing a pink sandals, and I went ahead and I started with a pink purse. So I started that way because of the colors that are in this skirt. And then next I went ahead, added my lavender tank top that I got from H&M, and I also went ahead and I added my lavender transparent heels, and were kind of like lavender looking small purse that I got from Mango years back. So that's another way to style this. I think you can also wear this with this skirt with white, because that light shade look like it's almost white, but there's also lavender in there. So I think white will look really pretty with this, and I just love this. This is something you can wear to church. This is something you can wear for like your picnics, your outing, just hanging out with your friends. And of course you can wear this to the beach. You can wear this for a tropical vacation. It's just a very pretty outfit that just looks so easy and so stylish. So let me show you guys the next outfit. And for this top, I also went ahead and I styled it with a denim, a blue denim that I also got from Walmart. That denim is from Free Assembly. Walmart is having some kind of sales right now or clearance. So I found that in the clearance rack for like what, $7 I think. And I'm wearing that denim in a size 10. My Walmart denim from Free Assembly, I always wear a size 10. If it is from Scoop, I go for a size 8. If it is from Sofia Vergara, I go for a size 10. So as you can see in the styling part, I went ahead and I styled this with my white heels. I think I'm carrying some pink little bag that I got from H&M. So it's just a cute, easy outfit to just go about your day. Of course, you can switch the heels for like flats. It will still look very pretty. You can also switch the bag for like a straw bag or a basket bag, and that will look so chic and so, like, you know, put together. On to the next outfit now. So the next outfit I have is this orange knitwear top, and it is from the brand Scoop. I am wearing all the tops that I have. I am wearing all of them in a medium, and this knit top, it is so lightweight, so don't worry about sweating or something like that. It is very, very lightweight. It's a knitwear, but it's very, very light, very breathable. You are not going to sweat. I have worn this out already. And in the styling part of this video, I went ahead and I styled it with my Zara orange purse, and I'm wearing my white heels, and it just looked very simple, very chic. Next, I went ahead and I changed my heels to flats, and I think it's an orange flat that I got from Macy's years back. And I went ahead and I added my straw bag that I got from H&M. It's just simple, chic look that you can just use to go for like a coffee run, grocery run, go to the mall. You can even, like, you know, just hang out and have lunch with a girlfriend like this. You still look very chic and you still look very put together. And I like outfits like this because they are just easy breezy, and it is summer, it is hot. Anything that is orange is always going to look good. It's such a beautiful, fabulous color that just looks so pretty on everyone. So let me show you guys the next outfit. The next outfit I have is this body suit that I got from the brand Scoop. I am wearing this bodysuit in a size medium, and I just love this bodysuit. It is not the type that you have to snap in. See how it is? It is not the type that you have to snap in. So I like it for that, because sometimes those ones that you have to snap in is just so uncomfortable. But at the same time, I think, like, if you need to use the restroom, you can kind of maneuver this. It is kind of spacious down there. Anyway, you get the gist. So I like the fact that it's a v-neck, back and front, so you can even wear this both ways and nobody will be the wiser. So in the styling part of this video, I went ahead and I styled it with this light wash denim that I got from the brand Free Assembly. Like I said, the Walmart have been having some kind of clearance, so I found that on the clearance rack, and they are like under $10. So I went ahead, I styled it with that denim, then I added an orange belt just to, like, you know, jazz it up a little bit. I also added my orange Zara purse, wearing my white heels that I got from either ASOS or Macy's. See how chic and how simple this outfit look. Denim and white, it's always going to be a vibe. It's always going to look good. I also went ahead and I styled this with my white flats, and then I added a straw handbag. Then I kind of wanted to make it a little bit more dressy, so, and I styled it with this gingham pleated skirt that I got from Target years back, that is like white and green. Then I added this green belt that I got from Shein last year, and I'm carrying my green clutch bag that I got from Shein a couple of months back. So, and I also added my white heels. So you see how this look. It is just so simple, just so cute. I'm ready for a picnic. I'm ready to have afternoon tea. Where are we going? So this is how I style this bodysuit, because it is a white bodysuit. You can literally do so much with it. You can wear this underneath your blazer. You can wear this like, add like a button down shirt, and you can wear some shorts on this. There's so many things you can do with a bodysuit. It's just so functional. This is what I like about this particular item. So guys, that is all for this video. Walmart do sell out like really fast, but I will say that for the free assembly outfits, you go in store, you see a lot of them in store. And I think Time and Truth too, you see a lot of them in store. But when it comes to the scoop items, they are only available in like select Walmart, not all of them, just a few of them. And they might not even be in your areas. You may have to drive a little bit to be able to find those items. So if you want to get these items, I would say go online. But then they sell out so fast, and Walmart, they don't restock on time, which is not very good. Just check the links in the description box if you are interested. It will just take you straight to the Walmart website to if you want to shop all of these items. So please do give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and let me know which of these items is your favorite. You already have them in your closet. And please subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you on my next video. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself. Bye. Bye. I'll see you soon. Bye. Bye.